Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of resetting your Aervy Wi-Fi extender to its factory settings. This is an effective solution if you're facing issues with your device or simply want to start from scratch. Let's get started. Resetting your Aervy Wi-Fi extender is necessary when it's not functioning properly, or if you encounter issues like connectivity problems or incorrect settings. A reset restores the device to factory defaults, allowing you to reconfigure it and resolve any performance-related issues. First, ensure that your Aervy Wi-Fi extender is securely plugged into a power outlet. Make sure it's placed in an area with good airflow and that the power LED indicator is on, showing that the extender is receiving power and ready for the reset process. Next, locate the small reset button on the back or bottom of your Aervy Wi-Fi extender. It's typically labeled Reset. You may need a pin, paperclip, or similar small object to press the button, as it's designed to be recessed for safety. To reset your Aervy Wi-Fi extender, press and hold the reset button for around 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the LED lights begin to blink or turn off and on again. Once the lights stabilize, the reset is complete, and your extender is now restored to its factory settings. After the reset, you'll need to set up your Aervy Wi-Fi extender again, just like when it was new. Follow the steps in the user manual to connect it to your Wi-Fi network, either through the WPS method or manual setup using the web interface. Once the reset is complete, unplug your Aervy Wi-Fi extender and relocate it to an area with weak Wi-Fi coverage, but still within range of your main router. This ensures the extender can amplify the signal effectively, boosting coverage throughout your space. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. That's all it takes to reset your Aervy Wi-Fi extender. Once reset, you can reconfigure it to get your Wi-Fi signal extended once again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.